Hello dear Dinka learners, welcome back. In today's video, we are going to learn a mind-blowing Dinka to English lessons. In this lesson, we are going to change from English to Dinka. Let us begin. 1. Close the door or close the gate. In Dinka, tiok otok. Tiok otok. Tiok otok. Tiok otok. Close the door or close the gate. 2. Go inside. Go inside. In Dinka is lor along thin, lor along thin, lor along thin. Go inside. Along thin mean inside. Number 3. Go outside. Go outside. In Dinka, lor air, lor air, lor air. Air mean outside. Lor mean go. Where is your brother? Is a question. Where is your brother? In Dinka, Wamut atau Teno. Wamut atau Teno. Wamut atau Teno. Teno. Where? Wamut. This one. Wamut is your brother. Where is your brother? Wamut atau Teno. Wamut is a brother. Go play outside. In Dinka, Lord Twitch Air, Lord Twitch Air, or you can also say Lord Paul Air, Lord Paul Air, or Lord Twitch Air, Twitch, Twitch. Twitch mean game or playing. Paul mean also playing. Go and play outside. Lord Twitch Air. Number 6. I will beat you. I will beat you. In this case, if it is game, you say Yinba Tiam, Yinba Tiam, Yinba Tiam, Tiam Ta Yi A Am. Tiam. Tiam mean to win or to overcome or to beat your opponent in the game. And being Tiam and being Tiam is the same thing. You can say Yinba Tiam or you can start and being Tiam like I will beat you and being Tiam and mean I yin tiam mean I will beat you and yin tiam, or you start by yin batiam and yin batiam, or in this case if it is caning, if you are beating the child you will say yin batat, yin batat. Yin batat mean you want to beat someone or you want to fight with someone to beat someone. Yin batat. Number 7, let's read. Let's read. Is like let us read. In Dinka, kwen ku, kwen ku, kwen ku, ka u e na, ka u, kwen ku, kwen ku. Let's read kwen ku. Okay, guys, this video has been requested by one of our subscribers. She's learning a lot here in this channel with their kids. So that's why I make this video so that the children can benefit from here. This is the reason why I always do these videos. So thank you very much, Maureen, Maureen Diane, Muringi Annie, Muringi Annie. So this is your video. You are going to get it, and I wish your children will learn more here in this video. Thank you very much for requesting this very good video. It's going to help others also. Okay, let us back to our lesson. Number 8, your mother is calling you. Your mother is calling you. In Dinka, Mamadu eyin chol. Mamadu eyi chol. Mamadu eyi chol. Chol cha o la. Cha o la. This is o la. Chol mean to call. Mamadu mean your mother. Or more, you can say more eyin chol. More eyin chol. More eyin chol. Your mother is calling you. More mean your mother. Mamadu mean your mother. So you can say any word here. You can say Mamadu eyin chol or more eyin chol. And I can also say Mama dear eyan chol. Mama dear eyan chol mean my mom is calling me. Mama dear. You put this one, Mama dear. You put this one to be like this, Mama dear. Let me write it here. Ma a da ye e. Mama dear. Mama dear. So you put it that way, Mama dear. Yes. Maureen Chol, your mom is calling you. Number 9, your father is calling you. Your father is calling you. In Dinka, Ur Eyin Chol. Ur Eyin Chol, or you say Ur Eyi Chol. Or you can also say Babadu Eyin Chol. Babadu Eyi Chol. Babadu Eyin Chol. If I am the one is speaking, I can say Baba dear Eyan Chol. Baba dear Eyan Chol, or Wa Eyan Chol, or Ur Eyin Chol. Ur. And you know in Dinka, father is called Wa. Wa Ha. Wa. Wa Ha. Wa. Or you say Baba. We also call Baba. So it's international name. Arabic, English, etc. 10. Call your mother for me. Call your mother for me. In Dinka, Chol Mamadu Tani An. Chol Mamadu Tani An, or Chol Moor Tan An. Chol Moor Tan An. Chol Mamadu Tan An, or Chol Moor Tan An. Call your mother to me or for me. 11. Where are you going? Is a question mark. In Dinka, Yetanan Leer Yintin. Yetanan Leer Yintin. Yetanan Leer Yintin. Or you can also say ilo tano. Ilo tano. Or ilo tanan. Ilo tanan. Ilo tano. Yetanan lerintin. All these are correct. You can use them. Yetanan lerintin. Ilo tano. Ilo tanan. Yes. What are you doing? It's question mark. What are you doing? In Dinka, yongoloi. Ye ngo loi. Ye ngoloi. Very simple question. What are you doing? Yangoloi. Or you can say ngoloi. 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 What are you doing? Ngoloi. Or yangoloi. So all are correct. You can use them. 13. Bring me food. Bring me food. In Dinka, you can say bay cham ten a. Bay cham ten a. Bay cham ten a. Or bay cham ten an. Or bay cham ten yen. Or you say bay queen. Bay queen ten a. Bay queen ten a. Cham queen mean food. You can use both of them. You can say bay cham ten an, or simply say bay queen ten an. For example, and meat queen. And meat queen mean I am eating food. And meat cham, I'm eating food also. Yes. 14. I am proud of my mother. I'm proud of my mother. In Dinka, and yam mama dear. and Nyam Mama dear, and Nyam Mama dear. I'm proud of my mother, and Nyam Mama dear, or simply you say and Nyam Ma, and Nyam Ma, and Nyam Ma. Nyam, the term word Nyam mean proud. Nyam, Nyam mean proud. This one, Nyam proud. Yes, proud. Nyam, I'm proud. Yenakan then by William Bajak, Edupiot Itongjang. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel to learn Dinka language with us. And may God bless you to understand Dinka language. It's a very easy and simple language from South Sudan. Dorniali Kawit, Kuyania. I will bring more videos. Bye bye for now and stay blessed, guys. I want to say Merry Christmas to all of you. Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas. Miet po yan banda Jeto Cristo to all of you. That way, Given Erican, then Ian William, Jack Malik Ding. Bye bye.